Alright, well I got some inner tubes. And I gotta replace some in some tires, so those will be the next couple projects. These two are for like a hose reel. I also got one for the wheelbarrow. Not that I use it much, but it's flat. I can't even move it around without it coming off the rim. So, well, let's get that taken care of, and hopefully this will be a quick little video. And here's the first one. You see the tires don't look too bad, but I didn't put any weight on it with the hose. Those go flat instantly, so I think we're just going to pop these off. Get some new thunderstorms coming. Get some new tubes in them. 4 of them here. Let me get those wheels off, get them on the bench. Well, I got some of the tires off, and let's see if I can get this on camera. This is bad. These are blown right out. It's not just the tubes, the tires are shot. So, they're split rim. Fronts came off in one piece, slid right off. But the backs, I don't know, they must be pressed on or something. So I just split the rim, and about 3 out of the 4 tires are shot. I think I got one good one, but good luck on my part, I guess I could say, is I got these. I got these for a project years ago, never used them, so same size. I got 2 of these with the same tread, and I got 2 of these with the smooth tread, which won't matter, but they're all still the 310 or 410 350s. They're all the same size. Rims are different, but I'll split those and just use the tubes and tires on the new on the old rims. So I'll start taking those apart now. Okay, so I got the tires off the rim. Tubes are in there already, the ones that were originally in there. All I gotta do is put them on the other rims. So I might clean those up. If they're looking a little rusted, maybe I might paint them. I don't know yet. Let's take a look here and see how we make out. Alright, well I got the rims mounted, or the tires mounted on the old rims, so we'll get them on the cart now. Well, that was easy. Made it nice and easy with the parts I had. Not too worried about the mismatched tires. I'll get the hose on that, and I'm considering this one done. So, alright, here's the wheelbarrow tire. It won't even hold air, so I'm going to get this one off. And tire's a little worn, but as often as I use it, I'm not that worried about it. Not too worried about poking the tube inside either. This one's shot. I probably don't have to get it all the way out, but I'm gonna. Oh yeah, yeah, right there. That's a little hole. Get a little air to fatten her up. Should be enough. Careful around this one. Okay. Still pull through. Well, let's get to the one side now. Right into place. All right. I'll get that put back on and that'll be another one done. Alright, now it's done. Nice easy little project. I could do a little more concrete work if I have to. Move some dirt or mulch. Yeah, thanks for watching.